Tells you there are raiders overhead. Wooden Alex, are you ready to? Yep. So we have our warbling sound. We're not going to do it too loud. Crank it up to level first. This has between a 2 and 5 mile radius, so you can hear it along where, when this is really cranked up, and we have done it once or twice, the 5 mile radius you can really believe it is. It is a monotonous, higher pitched tone which stays up there for a little bit longer. It takes some time. Now those of you who are rich enough to have the very good, yes, very good sir. Gas attack. The rattle tells you that there is a danger of gas. It may not be that the Germans have dropped gas themselves, dropped bombs which have got gas in. It may be that the bombs have exploded and damaged a gas main, and there is a problem. So the rattle tells you there is gas about. We have a smaller version, as well as our big version.